Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. The second thing, which is really important, is that you will have to have your account added to the device, or you will have to log in right now to be able to follow all of my steps. If you're not sure how to add the Google account to your device, simply check our tutorial about it. I've just recorded it. So simply by following all of these steps, you will be able to follow the steps I'll present to you in this video. So after logging in, simply tap on the circle, which is your personal account. Let's tap on it, and then let's tap on Manage Apps in Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously installed apps. So let's simply tap on updates available, and you can see that in my case I've got 29 updates pending, and all we have to do right now is to choose the updates we would like to apply. Of course, if you want to, you can download all of them just by marking them like that, or you can choose like 1 or 2 or 3. It's up to you totally. So just choose those which you'd like to apply, maybe something like that, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, your device is downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you do not have to wait here. You can totally close the Play Store and do whatever you want. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.